What about salt? What is our Lord saying? Well, we take salt rather lightly, no pun intended. But the Greeks used to call salt divine. Homer said it was divine. In ancient times, couples carried salt to their wedding. In Germany, brides' shoes once were sprinkled with salt. There's a French tale about a princess who came to the king and said, "Your Majesty, I love you like salt." He was angry and banished her from the kingdom. Story goes, he ran out of salt and realized that was an expression of love and got her back.